Taylor.
Hi, good. How are you?
Good, man.
Good, good.
Sitting on it?
How's that feel?
A bit tight up here, but yep.
Can I go back a little bit?
Yep.
Out there?
Okay, all good. Yep. Can press all the way. That's good.
Yep. Sweet. Oh, sorry mate, we'll have to
That's all good.
that one. Does that go just through there, does it?
You can do it through there. I would pull this one through more so that his head doesn't
Sorry
get...
Sam, I just had to let some other people in. This guy said he's with Carl. He is...
Cool, how's that? Feeling nice and tight?
Yep, nice and tight.
And he said
Sweet as.
he does not have any access
Yeah,
to it on
good
his
to go.
phone, email.
sorry Taylor, he has an extra 3 laps as well.
Cool, thank you. Awesome. Sorry, what was your name?
Tom.
Oh, Tom. Good to meet you, Tom.
That's
All
all
right,
good too.
I'll get you to turn the car on for me. That's it. Cool. And we'll chuck it into drive.
Drive.
Yep, cool. Handbrake off, and when you're ready, you can pull into the far left-hand lane. And it's just a 40k speed limit until you get to that green light. Is this your first time doing something like this, Tom?
First time driving the V8 in Hampton now.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Have you driven around Hampton before?
Copy, Matt.
I've sat in a Lamborghini here.
Oh, okay, cool, cool. Nice.
I've just got Carl for the club circuit at the top gate. He's listed back there.
Alright. Yep. So just stay inside that yellow line, and when it ends, you can pull onto the circuit. Yep. Cool. Well, just be nice and smooth. So just spend the first lap, you can have a bit of a weave around.
Oh, yeah.
Feel the brakes, but just be nice and gentle on everything.
Brakes
And
really good.
And yeah, the brakes and the tyres are really good.
Yeah. Like, that stop just right there.
Stops really well, yeah. Yeah. So we've got plenty of time. We'll just nicely ease into it.
Yeah, all good.
We've got pretty much the track to ourselves, which is good. Okay, just stay to the left where you are now, and the Lamborghini's going to pass you on your... sorry, stay to the right. Lamborghini's going to pass you on your left. That's it. Nice. That's it. Just ease off. Yeah. Just nice and gently. Yep. Yep. Sure. Okay, so starting to brake now, just brake nice and early to start with. So you can feel that the brakes are really good. Alright, yep, and carry on.
Drive.
That's it. Yep.
Okay, on the left. 40.
Cool, so we'll just ease into it. Okay. Yeah, so we'll start braking a little bit earlier than the braking cone, so those big cones that you can see.
Yep.
And then as you start getting better, we can start building on a little bit.
Okay.
But we don't want to be going flat out straight away because the car's still not quite ready for it.
Oh,
So we'll just ease into it nicely. So I want you to focus on being really close to all of the cones that you can see.
Oh yeah.
Those will help you get your lines right.
Okay, no car, yeah.
Yep, no car. Yep,
Good.
yep. So you can hit out. That's it. That's it. So we go from the outside into the apex.
Yep.
Yep, that's it. So you're kind of playing join the dots with the cones, if that makes sense. So you want to be, every cone you see, you want to be right up close to it with your car. That's it. Yep. So still make sure that you're being smooth on the wheel. We don't want to be jerking.
Oh yeah.
Yep. That's it. That's it. So you can start easing into it now. A little bit quicker. That's it. So this is a nice late turn in. There you go. On the gas. That's it. Rolling the speed through the corner. You want to be nice and tight with this one. Nice and tight. Yep. And then back on the gas now. Turning in, again looking for that apex. That's it, get on the gas now, so nice and close over here. Then you want to open the wheel out and aim for that next cone.